Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Python video, we are going to learn how to write a Python program to find the factorial of a number. Before starting, we need to know what is a factorial of a number. For that, consider if I need to find the factorial of number 5, the factorial means product of all positive integers which is less than or equal to the given number. That means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That means product of all positive integers which is less than or equal to the given number. And the product of all these numbers is, I think, 120. Okay. Now let's see what is the algorithm to do this. We need an input number. So we need an input number. Then we need something to store the value of all the product of the numbers. So I'm considering it as variable product, okay? And the product, I should initialize it with 1 because if I give 0 into anything becomes 0. So I need to give it as 1. Then we need to iterate each number, right? So for iterating, we need a for loop. Inside the loop, we need to product the numbers, that is, we need to multiply the numbers. Okay, then I need to return the result. Okay, here I'm using the product variable, so I should return the product. Okay, now let's do the program. I have told you it's always a best practice to start with a function. So I'm defining a function with the name factorial, and I'm going to use a parameter here which is number. Here I'm initializing n equals to 5. I need to find the factorial of 5. Now I'm calling my function which is factorial and passing the value. Now inside the function, I have told you we need a variable to store the product of the numbers. So product equal to 1. Then inside for loop, and it should be in the range of 1 comma number. If we give number, it goes 1 to 4. So we need to give plus 1 here so that it goes to 1 to 5. Inside the loop, we need to multiply the numbers, each numbers. Okay, so product star is equals to I. Then I need to return the result where we store the result in the product. Here I need to accept the value, so I'm storing that in a variable. Next I'm going to print the result. Now let's quickly run this program. Could you see we got the factorial as 120. Factorial of 5 is 120. Next let's test with another inputs. Now I am changing the n equals to 5. The factorial of 1 is 1. I am making it as 0. The factorial of 0 is also 1. Now there is one more method. Let's make this as method 1. And there is one more method where we can easily find the factorial of a number, that is method 2. In method 2, we are going to use math module, which is a standard module in Python where we can use mathematical operations like square root, factorial, and so on. So we need to first input the module. This is the algorithm. Then this is the syntax for using the math module, that is math dot, we need to use the operation factorial, so math dot module of number. Now let's do the program. First we need to import the module. Here I'm importing it, import math. Then we don't need anything here. I'm not going to return anything. We are just going to print inside the function itself. So I'm removing all these things. Now we just need a single statement only to print the factorial of a number. The factorial of number, that is 5, is, this is the syntax for math module, that is math dot factorial of number. Here we are getting the value in number variable, so I use number here. We don't need many lines of code for factorial, we just need a single line, and this is the syntax for the math function. Now let's change this as 5. Now let me run my program. See, I have got the factorial of 5 is 120. That's all. Now let's change the input as 1. If I run this, I'm getting factorial of 1 is 1. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Take care. Bye bye.